everybody and welcome to Melbourne. I'm Monique from Walk Melbourne Tours and we are all about sharing Melbourne stories through food. Have you been to Melbourne? If so, you'll know that the magic of the city lies in these alleyways and small streets that are jam-packed full of cafes, boutiques and small independent stores. The kinds of places that locals love and that travellers love to discover.
On almost every tour, somebody tells us, gosh, you would have walked past this. You wouldn't even know it was here.
We wouldn't have found it on our own. And that's what makes Melbourne such a great city for a walking tour. All these little streets that are only accessible to pedestrians. You just can't see it any other way.
Our aim is to provide your guests with a magical 3 hours in Melbourne with their guide. But because our groups are small, we like to get to know our guests and make sure each of them leaves our tours with recommendations for what to do with the rest of their time in the city.
Think of us as your new local friends. We've been operating food walking tours in Melbourne since 2012, and today I'd like to introduce you to our 3 products that are suitable for your FIT bookings. Now don't forget, all of our tours can be booked as private tours as well, and we regularly put together experiences for groups that are travelling together. But first, let's get stuck into the detail of our 3 signature products.